Hello students, hope you are good. Let's start our lesson. Today our lesson, class 1, topic subject English, topic use of A. Use of A. You know about the alphabets A to Z. These are alphabets A to Z. You already read it. There are 26 letters in English language. There are 26 letters in English language. There are 21 letters that are called consonants, and these are consonants. They have their own sounds. Today we are going to learn about the use of A. Today we are going to learn about use of A. Today we are going to read about the use of A. We use A before the consonants always. For example, a book, a pen, a chair, a board, a fan, like this. A pen, a pencil, a book, a ruler. These are the alphabets. These are alphabets A to Z. And these are consonants. Okay, these are alphabets and we circle the consonants letters. We circle the consonant letters. Okay, A is consonant? No. And B is consonant. And C is also a consonant letter. D is also a consonant letter. And E is not a consonant letter. F is a consonant letter. And then G is also a consonant letter. H is also a consonant letter. I is not a consonant. J is also a consonant. K is also a consonant. L, then M, N. O is not a consonant. P, Q, R, S, T, and then U is not a consonant letter. Then V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, which we circle the letters, these are consonants. This is your first activity. Write the name of these things. These are the things, you write the name. This is a bell. You write here bell. This is a pen. You write the name of this thing, a pen. And this picture is cat. You write here a cat. Then this is a picture of desk. You write here a desk. This is the picture of ruler. You write here a ruler. Then this is a book. You write here a book. Okay, this is your home activity. Make sentences of these words. These are the words pen, book, cat, fan, hen. You make sentences. Pen, like this is a pen. Book, this is my book. Cat, I have a pet cat. Fan, this is a fan. Hen is a pet animal. Okay, thank you students. God bless you. Take care and respect your parents.